Hey, what's up, Tectonic Electric fam? Welcome back to another video, where we dive deep into the coolest tech gear that keeps your rig running smoothly. Today, we're checking out a game-changing water cooler, designed to keep your PC cool and your performance top-notch. I'm talking about the IWONGOU PC water cooling heatsink with an ARGB 120mm fan for Intel and AMD platforms, including LGA 1700, 1200, 1155, AM4, and even X99 motherboards. Let's get right into it. First off, let's talk design. The IWONGOU water cooler doesn't just keep your PC cool, it looks awesome doing it. This model comes with a sleek white body, perfect for those going for a clean aesthetic build. And just look at that 120mm ARGB fan. The addressable RGB lighting adds that pop of color. And of course, you can customize it to match the vibe of your rig. The 120mm fan isn't just about aesthetics though. It's designed for efficiency. This fan ensures optimal airflow, which is key for cooling your CPU under heavy loads, whether you're gaming, editing, or doing any intensive work. So, let's talk tech specs. The IWONGOU cooler is compatible with multiple sockets including Intel LGA 2011 V3, 1700, 1200, 1155, and AM4 for AMD. This makes it incredibly versatile, whether you're building a new system or upgrading your current one. It's also perfect for high-performance processors like Intel's X99 series, ideal for demanding users. Installation is pretty straightforward. IWONGOU provides all the mounting hardware you need to set it up on your motherboard. Plus, it's compatible with a wide range of platforms, so no need to stress about fitment issues. But how does it perform? Well, this cooler is designed to keep even the most powerful CPUs running cool. The water cooling system combined with the efficient heatsink ensures stable performance, even when you're pushing your system to its limits. Lower temps mean better performance, longer component life, and less risk of overheating. And the RGB lighting? Fully customizable. With ARGB control, you can sync it with the rest of your system's lighting. Whether you want a subtle glow or a full-on light show, it's entirely up to you. So, who's this cooler for? If you're someone who values both performance and style, the IWONGOU water cooler with its ARGB fan and versatile compatibility is a solid choice. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or just want to keep your setup looking clean and running cool, this cooler has got you covered. That's it for today's review. Let me know in the comments, are you planning on upgrading your cooling system soon? And would you go for this stylish IWONGOU water cooler? Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe to Tectonic Electric for more reviews on the latest and greatest in tech gear. I'll catch you in the next one.